Don't be lame, drop a duo Instagram chain story. Hello guys, welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you want to know where you can find this Add Yours sticker. So in this video, I'll show you where you can find it and how you can do a story with this sticker. First of all, you have to go to your Instagram app and then search for Ali and John YTT. You have to go to this profile right here, and then from this place you will have to go to October Add Yours at highlights, and now you have to tap until you find the desired sticker. There we have it. Click on the Add Yours button, and if you are not able to click on the Add Yours button, once I will do the story, I will show you from where you can get the YouTube tutorial to help you solve your problem. You can also find that a YouTube video, a YouTube tutorial in the description box below. So now you just have to go to your uploads and choose a background photo for your sticker. I will go with this photo right here. Now you can place your sticker where you want and share this with your friends. So guys, if you are not able to click on the Add Yours button, you have to remain here on this Instagram profile, and then from here you will have to go to Super Viral at highlights. And here you will find this first story. Not able to click on Add Yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here where the arrow points. It will get you to a YouTube channel, to my YouTube channel, to a video which has only 2 minutes, super easy to follow, and it will definitely help you. So yeah, I hope this video was useful for you. If it was, you can like this video, you can comment in the comment section down below, and you can also subscribe to our channel for more updates and for more videos about this trends. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.